gonna perform an experiment about different nature of light. And now, watch this.
Go.
Refraction. Now I'm gonna experiment about refraction. First, we need the water, ball pen, and cup. Here's the result. As you can see, the ball pen looks bent, cut, or bigger than original size. I'm going to perform an experiment about absorption. First, we need an object with a color. And we need to expose this object to the light and sun. As you can see, when I expose the object in the sun, I see color red because it reflected in my eyes. Interference. Now I'm gonna perform an experiment about interference. First, we need an object with a different colors. Second, expose this object to the light or sun. As you can see, when I expose this object in the sun, I see different colors. Reflection. As you can see, when I point the flashlight to the mirror, it bounces in other direction.